How to send location on WhatsApp. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to send location on WhatsApp. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your WhatsApp application, then go to the chat where you want to send your location. Then here you can see a link option, simply click onto it. Then here you can see an option named location, simply click onto it. Now here click on continue. Now here click on allow only while using the app. Now here wait for a few seconds. As you can see, here you can either share your live location or you could send your live location. The choice is yours. Let's say that I want to send my current location or I want to share my live location. So simply click onto it. Then here simply click on continue. Now here simply click on the send button on the bottom right corner and you will send your live location on WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.